Hi everyone, Ab here again, and today I want to share my thoughts about interactive whiteboards. And actually, I want to talk about how useless they are for most everyday projects. Now first, before you beat me up, a lot of you know I'm the founder and CEO for Banto. I helped invent the ShadowSense technology, and I have attended hundreds and hundreds of installations, product manufacturing meetings, dealer meetings, onboarding, customer training, you name it, from Japan to Europe to South America. You guys have seen me. And more importantly, I've gone to every boardroom that's out there over the last 10 years, including Japanese headquarters, where they manufacture these interactive flat panels, and guess what? Not one of them barely installed and barely turned on. When was the last time you actually turned on these units and used them? And don't use COVID as an excuse. Even before COVID, utilization was really low. And that's actually an ugly truth in our industry. Utilization is low, and we don't understand why. So I want to break that down to you for today. I want to share with you my thoughts. First up, the way manufacturers position and sell this product itself actually doesn't resonate with most customers. So what happens with a lot of these products are they're sold as boardroom equipment, and we barely use them as glorified televisions. We hook up our laptop, we show our display, or worse, we call them one-click join devices, where we click one button and automatically the meeting starts, and it just becomes, again, a glorified camera glorified TV for the camera. Now, that is not a valuable use case. And then the other use case that people tell you about all the time is, oh look, you're going to be able to get 10 people to all write and talk and walk and do all sorts of cool things simultaneously. Seriously, I can barely get 2 people to coordinate their efforts in a meeting, let alone 10. Or my entire class can join in and no, I don't want to do that. Okay, I got to be in control. Do a test. Open up a Google document, get 10 people to start typing at the same time. Let me see how well it works out for you. So this idea of group collaboration is oversold, and that's exactly what happens with our products. So what happens from a use case point of view is most of these collaboration devices are sold with the promise of complex collaboration. You can do all sorts of things, and most people don't do that. In the last 18 months of COVID lockdown, how many of you have run out and said, oh my God, I got to get in front of my whiteboard in order to collaborate with 10 people? We didn't. And guess what? We don't actually have to. The other problem that happens is the persona of the customer we're going after. We keep going after engineers, designers, and all sorts of complex, data-heavy people, project managers. And you know what happens? There's not that many of them. Enough companies don't have enough of these individuals. So in reality, we're going after the tip of the pyramid and the tip of the pyramid. Well, what's at the bottom of the pyramid? Let me show you under the use case. What this is everyday meetings. Okay? And what you have here under the persona is anyone who attends meetings. So this is really important. If you can capture this market right here and actually make these people really happy, guess what? There's actually a real business. What does that really mean? Let me dissect it down. What does an everyday meeting look like? It's our Zoom calls. It's our client discovery calls. It's my product proposal calls. And what is anyone who attends me? It's my customers. You don't need 30 people to go ahead and engage. You don't need 20 people to go ahead and interact. I want to make an impact. I want someone to remember what I'm doing. And what this interactive whiteboard is, it's a visual aid. If I can effectively use it as a visual aid to make a memorable meeting experience in which I can pull up content and I can show and diagram and be visual, suddenly remote meetings don't suck. And what I want to do is I want to reinforce this idea that there's a lot of great hardware that you already own. You can absolutely repurpose it in order to go make every meeting memorable. So suddenly, in every sales call you're presenting, with every customer discovery you're using the product, the utilization of this product goes up, the memory for your customers and your partners and your teammates is higher, engagement is higher, and it's also a very effective and simple way you can use this product. So I just wanted to show you how you can really transform your meetings using existing interactive whiteboards and smartboards that are already there in your location today. Thanks again.